Hi friends, happy Vlogmas and welcome back to the Murphy Kitchen. Today I'm participating in the Christmas cookie countdown. I hope that you're having a splendid holiday season on this December 18th. It is day 18 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. And we are opening another little longhouse today from our Advent Village. Oh. I am so excited because I think Mary has some of these pins and I have been eyeing them for a while, but it is a hidden Mickey Tiki. This is totally up my aesthetic. If it weren't for the Disney Vacation Club pin and the turtle pins, this would be my favorite. So little Tiki hidden Mickey here is wearing a Mickey hat. Amazing. And he has little Mickeys behind him on the little emblem. And this is Hidden Mickey 8 of 8. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. So today's collaboration is a countdown to Christmas with cookies. Can you think of something more delicious? And this was put together by my friends Jess and Andrew over at Magic in Michigan, as well as my friend Megan and Juliet over at the Pumpkin Queens. So my video's smack dab in the middle of all of the baking. So there's a couple channels that have already gone and a couple channels that still have to go. So check below in the description and see all of my friends participating in this delicious collab. So for my submission, I am going to make Linzer cookies. I have made these 2 years previous. Every year the recipe is so delicious. I just mix up the presentation of the cookies. I did a tree and I used a straw one year to kind of do like ornaments on a tree for the Linzer. Last year I did a little bear with a heart. And this year we are gonna make it Disney. So we're gonna do a snowflake with a little Mickey shape in the middle. I really like this recipe because the cookies are so buttery soft and delicious. And then you're gonna do a layer of preserves or jelly, and you can really make it your own with that. So if you have a favorite flavor of jelly or jam, you can use those to complete your delicious Linzer cookie. So without further ado, let's dive into the baking. So you're going to start out with 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to take your mixer with your cookie paddle and cream together butter, sugar, baking powder, vanilla, and salt. Next, we're going to add in our egg. Then we're going to put it on a low mix and add in the flour. I sped it up to give it this nice cookie dough texture. We're gonna clean off our paddle, get everything into the bowl, wrap it up, and let it chill in the fridge for an hour. Once the dough's chilled, we're gonna flour our surface. Then we're gonna roll out our dough to 1/16 of an inch thickness. Now that we have our dough rolled out, I'm gonna use this cookie cutter. It's a pretty snowflake shape, and we are gonna cut out some of these cookies. Now we're gonna take our little Mickey shape to cut out half of these snowflakes in the center. Now we're gonna take these baking pans lined with parchment paper and move our cookies over. We'll keep repeating this process until all the dough is gone. Once you've baked your cookies for 8 minutes at 350 degrees, you're going to bring them over to a rack and let them cool. Once your cookies have completely cooled, you're going to spread a thin layer of jam onto the bottom, the flat side of one of the cookies. Make sure it's the ones without the holes, and then you're gonna top it off with your Mickey cutout. Be sure to press the cookies gently together. And I am using a triple berry jam, but the recipe does recommend raspberry. However, you can do whatever jam is your favorite. Here are the cookies. You can find a link below to Queen of My Kitchen where I got the recipe. All right, time for the taste test. Full disclosure, we've already had these just without the jam. They were pretty good, right, Phil?
Yeah, they were good. What kind of jam is this?
It's a triple berry. So good.
Yeah, that's a good cookie.
They're super buttery and soft, and the filling is nice, but you agree, you could put whatever filling, you could put chocolate in it if you wanted to. Yeah, like a chocolate ganache, it would be good. Well, we'll probably be back trying some more cookies because I'm doing a cookie exchange, and we're gonna do a cookie taste test with all of those cookies. It's gonna be cookie crazy. But we just want to thank the Pumpkin Queens, Megan and Juliet.
Hello, Pumpkin Queen. We also want to thank Jess and Andrew from Magic in Michigan.
They put this collab together. It was a very delicious collab, right? So we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. We hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and we love celebrating the holiday season with all of you. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In this feature video, we meet Jack from DSNY Newscast. We also enjoy Future World and all of the fun rides. Finally, we wrap up the night with Yeehaw Bob. I hope you'll go give it a watch.